Test a deployment on our modern app hosting. For a limited time, your first $20 is on us. The best cloud hosting for your next web project. Whether you run a website, online store, application, or enterprise project, Kinsta has the tools and infrastructure to save you time and money. Join the 25,260 plus companies and 55,000 plus developers and entrepreneurs who made the switch to simpler, faster, and more reliable cloud hosting. View our pricing. Try now for free. Managed WordPress hosting. Power your WordPress sites with GCPC2 machines, Cloudflare features, and expert support you won't find anywhere else. View features. Application hosting. Kinsta is the best way to deploy and host your web applications. Bring your code and we provide the DevOps and support. View features. Database hosting. Take advantage of our simple and flexible database hosting service for Redis, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, and MySQL. View features. Managed WordPress hosting for sites that mean business. At Kinsta, we invest in the best infrastructure and tools available, and include it all for free in every plan. Features that save you time and money. Optimize your admin tasks, resources, and budget with our enterprise-level tools. Get premium features at no extra cost in every plan. Industry-leading speed by the fastest CPUs. Built-in application performance monitoring. Global content delivery network. Enterprise-level security. Staging environments and Dev Kinsta. See more managed WordPress features. Dedicated solutions for your needs. Discover our tailor-made hosting services and see which one fits your business needs best. 1. Agencies. Designed specifically for web and creative agencies that manage hosting for their clients' sites. 2. Enterprise clients. Kinsta offers flexible solutions designed for large-scale WordPress projects. 3. E-commerce sites. We optimize high-traffic WooCommerce sites on a daily basis. 4. Multi-sites. Powerful features and developer-friendly tools to make managing your sites easy. Free unlimited basic migrations from any host. Migrating your site can be stressful, which is why we have a dedicated team of experts ready to help. Save time and money by taking advantage of Kinsta's free and easy WordPress migration service. Request your free migration. Simple pricing and a money-back guarantee. Try Kinsta risk-free thanks to our free migrations and 30-day money-back for WordPress sites. Join the 100K sites hosted at Kinsta. See Managed WordPress hosting plans. Next generation application hosting. Eliminate the need to build, manage, and maintain complex infrastructure. Kinsta is the best way to deploy and host your web applications. Bring your code, we provide the hosting, DevOps, and support. Made for the most popular coding languages and for projects big and small. Features built for your app's success. Are you a developer, CTO, or lead product and engineering teams? As a product-led company, we understand the care required in selecting your technology vendors. Scalable globally and locally. Powered by Kubernetes. Deploy your application in only 3 steps. Use your preferred coding languages and frameworks. Discover application hosting. Pay only for what you use. Run your apps for as little as $0.027 per hour. Select your pods based on your resource requirement and pay only for what you use. Forget mysterious pricing tiers. We like to keep things simple. See application hosting pricing. Test it for free. The first $20 is on us. Don't take our word for it. Deploy your application and see for yourself. You'll get $20 off your first month's bill. Sign up now.